Okay, Azibullah, I'll wait for your email. Okay, buddy?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thanks for your time. Bye-bye.
Okay, so
Hey,
when?
Hasibul, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. How are you?
Good, good. I'm doing good. Okay, Hasibul, my name is Sabi. Okay.
Yes, Sabi. It's
And
good.
John is like a friend of mine. He's also like my client, but I also work as his business manager.
Okay, okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
I have a company also
Yes,
where I also help like real estate agents and other people with video and all that kind of stuff.
yes,
So John shared me your details. I have
yes,
a lot of clients
yes,
that I can uh, that I can bring business to you. I
yes,
want to kind of understand what you do, what your skills are.
yes,
What John liked about your message was you took the time and looking at his like took some screenshots and whatnot.
yes.
So tell me a little bit about yourself and what do you
Okay,
do? Tell me a little bit about your client work, your
yes,
cost, prices. Tell me
yes.
everything.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you very much to join with me, and thanks for asking. Okay, actually, yes. Thank you very much
Go ahead.
to open the camera. Yes, actually, I'm Hasibul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. We have a big digital marketing agency. Okay,
Okay.
let me explain first. Okay, actually, we are working to promote our clients' YouTube channel, Facebook page, website promotion. I mean ads campaign. Okay, so that the channel will grow day by day, and also Facebook page. I visit your YouTube channel and also Facebook business page. Okay, your YouTube channel is looking very good but needs some update and promotion. Okay, so that if you promote your channel according to your target, and I can do that, no problem, you will collect your targeted leads, I mean targeted customers according to your business. Do you know about it? Actually, YouTube give us more opportunities if we run ads by Google ads to promote a video about your business. We can collect.
Hasibul, can we record this call so I can review it later?
No, no problem, no problem.
Allow me to, you have to give me permission to record. So how do I do that? You have,
Recording in progress.
perfect, perfect. So you were saying, what I understand is
Actually,
that your company can help
yes, to promote your.
anybody, any business, real estate agent do run Google ads and
Ye-
very targeted ads, and that's how you grow the channel and all that, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, if we run Google ads, video ads to promote your business according to your target, we can collect your targeted leads. Okay, as like your targeted location, targeted gender, targeted age. I mean, according to your target. Okay, and also geographically, and also your interested person. I mean your customers. It is very helpful. Okay, to promote your business by YouTube ads campaign. Here is two methods to promote any video. First, organic, I mean free promotion, and also second, ads campaign, I mean boosting. Free promotion, I can do free promotion, but I do not give you the target, because if I promote your video by group, anyone can subscribe your channel. That would be your customers or not, and that would be the matured person, and also can be the children. But if we run Google ads, we can select the targeted age, targeted customers, targeted gender, male or female, and also your targeted location geographically. Okay, and also although it's very helpful. And understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, thank you. So if we run Google ads by video boost, okay, you can get your targeted leads, no problem, and I can do that if you want. Okay,
Okay.
yes. And also I visited your Facebook page, business page. You have 1k plus likes and followers, but according to the likes and followers, you don't have any engagement when you are posting on your Facebook page. Okay, here is lots of work to any Facebook post. If you want to post on Facebook, you need to concern on your post. Here is kind of part, I mean first title, second description, and third eye catchy and also targeted hashtags. Okay, and the final is eye catchy banner design. Now if you have any question, you can ask me, no problem. Okay,
So you can do YouTube marketing, you can run Google ads. Can you guys do Facebook marketing as well?
yes, yes, of course, this is similar as Google ads.
What about, do you guys also help with TikTok as well?
Yes, let me explain. LinkedIn marketing, Instagram marketing, I mean any social media marketing like Facebook, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, cause you know this is a digital marketing agency. Okay, we have, and also website promotion by SEO and also Google ads. Actually, if you
How
have,
do you target as a real estate agent if my target is home buyers in, let's say, Canada? How do you target my videos to exactly who my market is? How would you do that?
yes, Google ads, okay, Google will give us that type of opportunity. We can target our specific leads, I mean a specific location, a specific gender, a specific age, geographically, okay, and also interested person according to your business. Actually, as like your real estate business, okay, Google will help us and also give us the opportunity, cause we when we will run ads, we will pay Google, so Google will definitely give us that type of opportunity. Don't worry about it, no problem.
Like, how many revisions can I do if I want to add thumbnails and I want to add like pictures, images, text? You can do all of that.
Yes, dear. Actually, you know, client satisfaction is my first goal. Okay. If you do not satisfied, I can lose my opportunity, right? So I want to satisfy my client. I know if I provide you the good service, okay, you will hire me again and again, right? So it would be the best opportunity for me to work together in future, and I want to make a good relation. So no problem, I can give you the revision, no problem, because my first goal is client satisfaction.
Okay, Azibul. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, Azibul, I'll wait for your email. Okay, buddy.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thanks for your time. Bye bye.